Hi there, and welcome to Easy Forms, the advanced form builder and manager tool that has already changed the way you see web forms. And now that you have made the excellent choice to customize your app online forms functionality, it's time to see how simple it is to install an add-on. To start, you just need to upload the add-on folder on your server and host it in your Models, Add-ons, Modules folder. Now we have to select the file and click over here and extract files. Next, we need to delete the zip file, just to avoid any unexpected behavior. Right after that, go to the Add-ons Manager in your app and click the refresh button right here. Now you can see the add-on list you have. So we just need to find the add-on name we are installing. Here it is, plus the version and a bit description. We have now two options. We can select this checkbox and go over here to Bulk Actions and choose Install. Or we can go to the action buttons, find the install option and click. As you can see, the add-on manager will reload and your new add-on will be installed and ready to use. Just as simple as that. Because remember, it's always easy with Easy Forms.